Hello everyone, Carman back with another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my Mercedes ML55 W163 and how to upgrade your tail lights. The procedure is quite easy. You just pop open the trunk. There are these two plastic screws that need to be removed. There are two different ways to remove this screw. You could either use a flat screwdriver or you can use a 10mm socket. Now just pull the assembly straight out and also disconnect the cable behind the assembly. Easy. Just connect the wire. You want to make sure this ball right here goes straight into the hole. It's going to push right in place. Align the tabbings to the screw and secure it in place. So I hope this video has helped you out, and if you have any comments, suggestions, or questions, please leave them down below. And I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.